Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my name is Rizky Noverli. I'm from class F generation 20. I will explain the difference in the price of basic necessity, such as the price of egg, rice, cooking oil, spice, and vegetable, before and after the coronavirus in terms of the price of necessity. Okay, before I explain in general what happened to the difference in the price of basic commodity before and after coronavirus come. I will explain personal what I feel the price difference before and after the corona that I personal feel. Namely, on the usage of quota and purchasing pulsa. For example, before the corona, I bought 1000 pulsa. However, after the corona incident, I bought pulsa. It could reach 300,000 for 1 month. This is due to the existence of a long-distance lecture system which result in more wasteful quota usage. Because I did not install Wi-Fi at home, using internet pulsa is more wasteful than before corona. But that I think they are quite useful at the time of corona. I can save more money than before the corona because every day I stay at home and rarely fly outside. Okay, after I explain personally, I will explain of the chart in general. In the pre-corona, the price of goods tends to be stable. For example, the price of premium necessities are quite stable and affordable. That is because at the time before the arrival of coronavirus, people bought good or the necessities to be stable. Not too many farmer or workers call work optimal, which result in stable stock in the market. The difference when the corona period come, the price of necessities was suddenly high. It is because many people buy this necessity in very high quantity or why they call it, namely dumping. As a result of the hoarding, the stock on the market is running low, and the price of the remaining stock will be increased many times. Even the need for entertainment or electronic is suddenly high. This is due to the implementation of work from home and study online or learning online. This result in the community need more entertainment facility and more education facilities of work from. So the conclusion is the difference in price at the time of the corona and before corona. For example, before the coronavirus, price for basic food or basic commodity tend to be stable and quite affordable. It's different when coronas arrive. The price of basic necessity or basic food become more expensive. This is because many people buy in large quantity, which is result in reduction in the stock of staple in the market and the trader inevitable. Interest their price to be more expensive in order to get a bigger profit. That is the information about the difference in commodity price at the time of corona and before corona that I can convey. Sorry if the level of information is unclear. Finally, I just want to say, I hope this pandemic period will end soon. So, the sector of price for staple goods and price of goods in the market will return to normal, and the community will be more prosperous. I am Rizky Noverli from Class F Generation 20 to thank you for your attention. Bye bye.